like a newborn child.
Pretty much my legs are
What
on fire.
shit.
We've probably walked a little bit further than a quarter of a mile.
How do you know that?
Because you're a quarter mile drive-through.
Look at him.
He's like 4 feet.
Look at these dudes. Running up there.
That's wide. Nobody in the grass. Stay on the pavement. No trucks in the grass.
Yo, that's in the Freedom Factory.
Y'all don't see me.
Holy shit.
Basically, the whole rule is going to be stay away from the bleachers.
Ooh, we got the Freedom Factory.
We at the Freedom Factory.
Oh shit. Let's see how much bigger it is than it actually looks.
We are at the Freedom Factory. This is it. We got people running, putting the gap on.
They're out here gapping the boys.
This is it. Hey, let's go the other way.
There's Donnie. No, he says to go this way.
Oh, dang.
Donnie's out there. They got the RX-7 out there. 12-degree bank. Woo. Alright.
That's a.
Dude, imagine hitting that at fucking 80.
There's a couple turn signal lenses in there.
There is. There's a couple lenses in there. Damn.
That's just how it is.
It do be like that sometimes though. Damn, that's huge.
Boy, Donnie.
Hey guys, clear this off. Guys, if we could go up there, we can get. I feel like I'm going about $1.10 on the freeway behind you.
Windberg gang.